Find an equation in point-slope form of the line with slope 4 and containing -2, -4. Since we're given a slope and a point, we will use the point-slope form. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. We'll use this form to find the equation of the line. We're asked also to leave it in point-slope form, so we don't have to manipulate this much. All we need to do is substitute the slope, which is 4, for m, and the point, -2, -4, for x sub 1 and y sub 1. So let's do that. We have y minus y sub 1 would be -4, and we'll put that in parentheses since it's a negative number, equals m is the slope, that's 4, times x minus, and x sub 1 would be -2. Now this is an equation in point-slope form. It's also all right to rewrite this instead of y minus -4, to rewrite that as y plus 4 equals 4 times x plus 2.